इंडिया इस पैंडेमिक में रिकॉर्ड्स बना रहा है और ये ऐसे रिकॉर्ड्स हैं जो शायद हम में से किसी को पसंद नहीं आएंगे। इन द मंथ ऑफ August alone, India recorded close to 20 lakh cases of COVID-19. This is highest in a month for any country in the world. Not just this, a few days back, India recorded more than 80,000 cases of COVID-19 in just 24 hours. This is a world record. और सबसे बुरी बात तो ये है कि हम अपने ही रिकॉर्ड डेली तोड़ रहे हैं। All this is happening while many of us thought that the worst is over. ऐसे में कुछ सवाल तो बनते हैं। What is behind this surge and why is it worrying for all of us? Let me address these questions one by one. First of all, where are these cases coming from? The recent data suggests that maximum number of cases are being reported from Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. ये states का size और population देखकर मुझे इस चीज पे हैरानी नहीं होती. But what is deeply worrying is that this virus is now shifting to rural areas. Pune, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Bengaluru are the top 5 cities with the maximum caseload. But the recent trend suggests that rural areas and small towns are now seeing a surge. Let me give you some examples. This is a report by New Indian Express which says that 82% of COVID cases in Telangana came from Hyderabad in the month of June, whereas in August only 21% of COVID cases came from Hyderabad. यानी कि the rest of them came from smaller towns and municipalities. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका सीधा सीधा मतलब ये है कि as soon as the lockdown was relaxed, there was movement of people in and out of these cities that resulted in spread of this infection. Let me give you a few more examples. In Uttar Pradesh, metros like Lucknow and Kanpur have high number of cases, but छोटे टाउन्स जैसे गोरखपुर, बरेली, मुरादाबाद एंड झांसी भी जबरदस्त तरीके से केसेस रजिस्टर कर रहे हैं। गोरखपुर हैज मोर देन 9200 केसेस, बरेली हैज ओवर 6500 केसेस, मुरादाबाद हैज मोर देन 5100 केसेस एंड द फिगर इन झांसी इज ओवर 4400. दिस मीन्स दैट COVID-19 इज नाउ स्प्रेडिंग टू इंडियाज रूरल एरियाज एंड स्मॉलर टाउन्स. यही चीज का हम सबको डर था एंड दिस हैज रेज्ड अलार्म्स for many reasons. First of all, not all small towns and villages have medical infrastructure like urban cities. Not just they lack hospital beds and doctors, there is inadequate testing. We have seen instances of how this virus overwhelmed hospitals in cities like Delhi, Bengaluru and Mumbai. अगर अब ऐसी ही चीज इन छोटे शहरों में और गांव में देखने को मिलेगी तो क्या हाल होगा आप खुद ही सोचिए. Another problem that our previous strategy of test, track and treat may not be the best option anymore because virus clearly बहुत ज़्यादा स्प्रेड हो चुका है. सीरोलॉजिकल सर्वेस हमें ये बताते हैं कि ऑफिशियल फिगर्स और रियलिटी में काफ़ी डिफरेंस हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Delhi's second serological survey that was conducted last month predicted that 58 lakh people of the 2 crore population may have been infected with COVID-19 and have already recovered. और दिल्ली का ऑफिशियल कोविड फिगर 2 लाख से भी कम है. ऐसे में वी नीड बेटर स्ट्रैटेजीज दैट आर एम स्पेसिफिकली एट प्रिवेंटिंग डेथ्स. एंड फॉर दिस we need to strengthen our health infrastructure, especially उन जगहों पर जहां पर हॉस्पिटल्स डॉक्टर्स के सहारे नहीं भगवान के सहारे चलते हैं. And lastly, this war against virus cannot be won without all of us coming together. So please wear a mask and maintain physical distancing. We are opening up not because the pandemic is over, but because we have no option. That's all for now. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.